Segment 1, day 31. Here we have the Nightcrawler new bin. Just like we did the Red Wigglers, I did sticks, newspaper, charcoal, cardboard, more charcoal, and then for the final bedding or layer, I'm going to put used coffee grounds. As many as I was going to use dumped out in there. So I'm just smoothing it out. Alright, now I can add. Let's start off with the babies. Add them here. Nah, I'm not sure which group this is, but hey, the other babies. I was like, all the babies were added first. So, some established dominance. And now, in the meantime, I want to show y'all. I went through the soil I had picked up from Mom's house the other day, right? If you watched the live, you would know. And I went and picked as many as those egg sacks as I could. And now at this time, stacked it on top, I will be adding these sacks into here. Only because I would really want to get a big population going in here. Alright, gave the babies some time to try to adjust to their new home. But we still have to continue. So, adults, don't worry, nobody was hurt. Alright, now for the next batch of adults. They were hanging out all down by the freaking sticks. I guess they just like to wrap around the sticks. And over here at the pineapples, right? Remember I was telling y'all about inside of there? Guess what? That is new growth. It ain't focused, but there you go. New growth. And new growth. And that was on the older pineapple. And I guess we made a friend here. It's a ladybug. Doing good over here though, as well. For the apples, right? These main two are doing wonderful. This third one starting to grow very nicely. So we gotta water these, and we got another one down here. Then we had this pineapple, right? That was basically eating itself, dying, no new growth. That's new growth, folks. That is new growth. So we on the right track around here with something. What's going on, folks? Part 2 of day 31. Living everything. Catch you later. Work pile 2. Outside temps. 67, 65. Work pile 3. Outside temps. Say 66. 65. Work pile 4. Outside temps. Spare green pile 1 outside. I see in 91. 66. Spare green pile 2 outside temps. 80. 65. The dry patches. This being a divider. That little puzzle piece right there, dang it, where they divide. I'll be adding something to them soon. Work pile 2 inside temps. High of 69. Low of 64. Pile 3 inside temps. 64, 63, 65, 63. Work pile 4 inside temps. 62, 65 should be good. Spare green pile 1 inside temps. I'm saying 121. I'm saying 8. Spare green pile 2 inside temps. This one isn't as big as the pile 1, but low of 80, 80. Alright, plans for the piles. Like I said, I'm gonna flip everything, but I think I want to add just a slight bit of brown to this pile and some green to these two. Okay. Added some spare dry or brown from here. These both. Outlined them. Added that to the pile. Added green, spare green from pile 1 because it's bigger. So everything is getting flipped from there. Everything mixed up. Now just to put everything back in shape with the rake, and we'll be done. Catch y'all in a second. Everything's in the shape. Everything's looking great. Catch y'all later.